G'day, just a quick video. Green Jeep Cherokee 2014 petrol, and it's got the capless fuel filling there. So we've just done an engine service and transmission service on it, and what we're trying to do is fill some injector cleaner in the fuel cap. You'll find that these have the capless safety plug there. So basically, to get around that, you either need the special funnel that usually comes with the car, you'll find that there, or what you can do is, you'll notice in here, some of them have, this one has 3 little tabs there, and what you have to do is you have to simultaneously press all 3 tabs, and that'll open that little metal flap there. If you don't have the funnel. If you have the funnel, it's a lot easier, but we're not going to search for that. So I'm pushing down with my finger, and there you go. It's already open, and we can put our funnel in. Now we can put in our injector cleaner. Anyway, I hope that helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Any suggestions or comments, leave them in the section below, and throw us a beer if any of this information helps. The link's in the description. Thank you for watching.